What is up, you guys? Pete Carlo here, and I wanted to share a potential trade with you guys. So hit the like button, subscribe, go ahead and check out our Discord. It's completely free, link in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live stream seminars, webinars, and free trades. But one of the free trades I want to throw out with you guys is DraftKings. I ended up taking 3 contracts on this very small position, but we're going to go over in this video why and where I see it going. But make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell because all these videos are time sensitive. Now, taking a look at DraftKings, yesterday we had some really good unusual flows come through. I'm actually going to have to bring up my Discord servers so that I can show you guys a screenshot of them yesterday because Blackbox doesn't keep them around. But we did get some really good flows coming through yesterday on DraftKings, some 3/25/2022, so not expiring this week or next weekend, but the weekend after, 2 weeks from today. And you can see it's a 1750 strike, and you can see there was good sweeps, only about 100 grand, not a lot, but still very unusual for that amount of buying. So I decided to follow them. Looking at DraftKings, big descending wedge. You also see a very strong bullish divergence here. We made a low and then a lower low, but we made a higher low here on the RSI, which is showing that this potential movement down could start to reverse. Of course, it's not going to just skyrocket the way that I just did that, but we could see a potential reversal pretty soon. And yesterday we saw that. When I bought this first, it was down at 17. We ran up and we couldn't get through that resistance point. Now we're back down at support, looking like we can get a bounce back up to 17.95. And what I'm really looking for is a push above 18, because from there it would be very easy for us to move back up to $20.65, potentially $20.50. And that's really what I'm looking for. I don't plan to hold these like for the full 2 weeks. I will probably cut these potentially next Wednesday or Thursday, depending upon where we are. What would be a break of pattern, however, would be if we ended up snapping support down at 1650. If we ended up breaking this support and moving our way down to like 1630, that would just be overall time for me to walk away and close out the position. But overall, I really do like DraftKings. I think it looks good. I think you could end up taking shares if you really want. Honestly, shares would probably be the better position, because if you enter with, maybe $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 worth of shares and you set your stop loss down here at about $16.29, you're looking at about a 3% stop loss, maybe 4% if you want to be a little bit more, give it a little bit more room. But potential profits is a minimum of 8% and potentially all the way up to 22, maybe even 21%. And the beauty with doing something like that, with going with shares, so that you're not going to have theta decay that you have to deal with, which is very good. The other thing you could do is sell cash secured puts. Cash secured puts on DraftKings are pretty damn nice right now. IV is decently high. Volume is pretty damn high, especially for next Friday, the 18th. You could go ahead and sell maybe some 1650s, 16s, or 1550s. All of those are looking pretty good. Obviously, the further you go out from the money, the less money you're going to make, the more money you're going to have to risk, but that much higher chance you have of making money. So overall, that's DraftKings. I hope it helps, guys. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Peace.